Hey everybody, welcome back to Goshen Prepping. I'm at Costco today. This video is not, however, just showing the things that are on sale and stuff. Although I do love Costco and Sam's. It's actually geared toward, can you still go to Costco or Sam's Club and buy stuff for prepping? Rice and bulk things, and is it worth the membership price? That's exactly what we're gonna look at. So let's go ahead and look at some prepping items, and then we'll make the decision afterwards if it's really worth it or not. Well, first off, Costco always has items like this, like tents and everything, but I find the prices for these are pretty much the prices you can get anywhere else. Now for us, this is a prepping item. You can't go wrong with the Costco chicken, $5 each. We like to take it, use it, and freeze it. Prepping item, maybe. We like to get it. But obviously not worth a Sam's Club membership. That's just one of those little bonuses, obviously, or having a Costco membership, I should say, getting the chickens. Of course, they have it at Costco and Sam's Club. No matter the start or beginnings of like Costco, its intentions today are not necessarily for like stockpiling or anything as far as like really good sales. They do have good sales, by the way, but it's now geared toward upper middle class, so therefore more expensive items. Not saying you can't find some good stuff. So let's go through some like their canned foods and rice and see if they still have some good prepper deals, things that we can use to buy in bulk. Now, not necessarily a great deal, but obviously they do have some of the bulk stuff for baking, for bread. We have flour, etc. Bigger bags, that's great. But if we're talking about true prepping, the best way to keep this flour is in the freezer, which, I don't know, for this size pallet, you need quite the freezer for that. And same thing for sugar. Sure, we have lots of sugar. And obviously something you can use, but you can literally get this at most stores. Well, maybe not this size bag, but if you need this size bag, a 50-pound bag of powdered sugar, well, it's not prepping. It's, well, eating a lot of stuff you shouldn't eat. Now, they used to have the major cans for canned food. They don't really have that much anymore. Now it's all these packs. And I find you may save a little bit on them, but not a whole lot. Although Costco and Sam's used to be full of these number 10 cans, so far the only ones I've found here are number 10 cans of, well, no, tomato sauce. This is not the stuff you want to have because the tomato sauce over time will certainly be acidic and start wearing at the coating inside the cans. At the very least, make it taste funny. So definitely not the best thing unless you have some kind of like freeze dryer. But that, of course, totally does away with the reason of buying these number 10 cans. One thing I do like about these stores is they have lots and lots and lots of canned meats. Canned meat's great. But I really find the prices are not really that great compared to regular stores. You can buy it there, but the extra membership may totally outweigh the cost, or obviously the cost of buying canned meats in these stores too, but I do like the variety. Now, one thing that certainly separates out, like, for example, Sam's Club and Costco from buying regular stores are these giant bags of rice. $11 for this one, $27 for this one, and they have lots of varieties here too. Now, if your goal is to get lots and lots and lots of bags of rice, then yes, the membership may be worth it. But we're talking about, to make up that cost difference for your membership, a lot of bags of rice, a lot of bags. And think about this, you can go to Walmart and buy big bags there. And sometimes you can even buy bulk stuff and have it delivered to Walmart and you pick it up. I'm not sure if you can get those huge bags, but you certainly can get some. Okay, there you go. Obviously, it's a preferential choice, Sam's Club, Costco, or just buying wherever. If you're here just to get stockpiling goods, bulk goods, I would say probably not. It's not really quite worth it unless you're getting an enormous amount. But personally, I just like Costco and Sam's. I like their chicken. I like getting all the things they have. So either way, I want you to put in the comments below, what do you think? What's your verdict? If you're doing it just for stockpiling, it may not be the best thing. But if you like Sam's, Costco, or BJ's, let me know why. And that way the other viewers can view it too. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.